The donkey was tied to a tree, and Satan came and untied it. The donkey ran towards the fields and started destroying the standing crop. When the farmer's wife saw this, she killed the donkey in anger. Seeing the dead body of the donkey, the owner of the donkey got very angry and shot the farmer's wife. The farmer was so enraged by his wife's death that he shot the owner of the donkey. When the donkey owner's wife heard the news of her husband's death, she angrily ordered her sons to burn down the farmer's house. The son went in the evening and, fulfilling the mother's order, set fire to the farmer's house, thinking that the farmer would also burn to death in the house. But it didn't happen. The farmer returned and killed the donkey owner's 3 sons and his wife, after which the farmer repented and cursed the devil. Devil got angry and said that I had done nothing but untied the rope of the donkey, but everyone reacted more and more violently in response to the reaction, and let the evil within them come out. So next time, before you respond, react and take revenge on someone, stop and think for a moment. Sometimes devil just leaves a donkey between us, and we do the rest ourselves.